Want to drive more tire and alignment sales in your shop? With GrooveSpec, diagnose tire and alignment issues in seconds, anywhere. With GrooveSpec's wireless design and real-time precision, your techs and service advisors can confidently assess tread depth, tire size, facilitate alignment recommendations, and provide tire quotes from the palm of their hands. A fast and precise solution for your workshop and used car department. With just one photo, our AI identifies the manufacturer-approved tire size, as well as the tire sizes currently mounted on the vehicle. It recognizes the tire's brand and model, the vehicle's brand and model, the 3PMSF symbol, and even the DOT code. But that's not all. The same photo also detects visible damage on rims and tires. Laser precision right at your fingertips. In just a few seconds, scan all 4 tires and capture the license plate. Our algorithms deliver an ultra-precise tire wear analysis and tell you immediately if an alignment check is needed. Moments later, a detailed report is ready to present to your customer. And thanks to our cloud technology, the data can flow seamlessly into your system via API. Already using a tablet in your workshop? Simply download our app, snap a photo of the wheel with your tablet, and scan the tires with GrooveSpecX. With a software integration, GrooveSpec can connect directly to your existing tire quotation tool. Put AI and technology to work for your service advisors, boost customer loyalty, and drive more tire and alignment sales.